Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the faculty recruitment notification, and this notification has come from University of Lucknow. So guys, very good opportunity you have because huge number of vacancies are released from this university. And before going to discuss about the notification, please subscribe my channel for further such kind of information. Okay, so let's see the detail about this notification. So first of all, you have to visit the official website of University of Lucknow. As you can see on the screen, this is the official website, and here you can find out the career section. So in the career section, recruitment portal are given, and when you will follow this link, you will get a page where notification details are given. So notification of assistant professor, associate professor, professor and directors details are given here. So when you will click on this link, you will get a complete notification page, and here you can see this notification has been published on 29th July 2021. So here they have mentioned the last date for application is 20 August 2021. Okay, and actually this notification has earlier published. Here they have mentioned the candidate who have applied earlier, they don't need to apply again. So they are so here they have mentioned. So here the note section they have mentioned, and you can read it. Okay, and when you scroll down, you can see the complete detail. Okay, so here you can see assistant professor under self finance program on contract basis. So for the faculty of arts department, number of vacancies here you can see in the department institute English and modern European language BA honors, and here the post code are given. So in the post code, the last letter is basically representing the reservation category, means the caste. S stands for SC, and O for OBC, U for unreserved, and O for OBC, like that. Okay, and here name of the post with specializations are given, and here the number of vacancies corresponding given. Okay, so here you can see for the faculty of arts, huge number of departments are given. After the faculty of arts department, you can see in the department of commerce. For the faculty of commerce department, here the complete details are given. Okay, and when you will scroll down, you can find out the engineering and technology department. They have also given the notification. Okay, so engineering and technology departments have lots of vacancies. Here they have given. Here you can see for the law department, they have also given the notification, and for science department, for yoga and naturopathy, they have also released the notification. Total 171 vacancies. Okay, and for associate professor, they have also released the notification. Here you can see for faculty of commerce department, for yoga and naturopathy, they have also released. Total number of vacancies are 21 for associate professor, and for professor, total number of vacancies are 11. Okay, so here the different departments are given, and according to the reservation, all the vacancies are given here. Okay, so according to your department, you can check it, and please read the information thoroughly. So before applying the application, please check all the details thoroughly. Okay, and I will tell you what will be the application process. Here you can see the qualification for the above post are given here. Application fee are also given here. Some notes they have mentioned. Okay, so means the earlier the candidate who have applied, they don't need to apply again. Okay, and general instructions are given here, and what will be the application process I will tell you. So here you have to back and you have to come on this particular page. Here you can see the guidelines or guidelines for filling online application form. So when you will click on this particular link, you can find out the complete guideline to apply. Okay, so you should read the information thoroughly. Lots of information are given here. Okay, so I will provide these all the PDF in the description box. You can go through that, you can check it, and you can apply. Okay, so I hope this information will be helpful for you, and please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now for further such kind of information, and share to your friend also. Thank you so much.